I'm in Athens, Tennessee, visiting friends, traveling long weekend to see the beauty. It's the beginning of fall, so flowers are going to be going away soon. All the roses, lots of roses. It's a beautiful day. Just sharing. This is Tennessee Japanese maple, one of my favorite trees. We used to have them in Colorado. This is the beautiful Japanese maple tree. I just thought of sharing the beauty, the nature, greenery, and of course banana. You see a property with a banana tree, I always think of it's a Filipino family living. And of course, beautiful flower. Okay, this is it for now.